to Cheers TV. Hope you guys are good. So today I'm going to be making spaghetti bolognese with minced meat. So I'm going to let the minced meat boil for a while, and I'm going to drain the water. Then I'll put it back on again. So now I'm going to drain the first water out before I start the real cooking. Very tasty when you put garlic in it. Very tasty. Gives unique taste. The onions. Stock. Call Maggie. Thyme. Curry. This is oregano. Now stir. After putting all the seasonings, I covered it to steam. So now I'm going to pour the spaghetti bolognese sauce. Cover it back. I've got my water ready for my spaghetti. This is my spaghetti. I've got salt in the water and oil so that it doesn't stick together. So I'm going to drain the water out to reduce the starch. So I put fresh water in the pot with salt and oil. So I'm going to pour this back and cover it for a little bit, for like 5 minutes to steam. Then I'm going to drain it. Then the spaghetti is ready. It's ready. Is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and make your comment. Thank you again for taking your time out to watch my channel. Take care. Bye.